My name is Salah Abdullah. I'm from Eritrea. I had good treatment with Dr Nuri Dental on city of Sofia in Bulgaria. I was suffering from my teeth, and I sent them picture X-ray to Bulgaria on February of this year, and automatically, without any delay, they sent me the price of the treatment, and I came to Sofia and stay 5 days. Within 3 days, they did everything for me, starting from the check my teeth and took all teeth, and they put plants of 8 and down one and 10 on the upper one, and they put temporary teeth. Those feel good, no pain, no anything, and I get my treatment, the temporary teeth for 6 months. I feel good, and I come back last week on 4th of the September, and I get the final treatment and add some implants, and they did the final this. I feel very confident now. I'm okay. I can smile. I can face. Really, it was a very good experience for me, and I recommend everyone to come and see.